Northland Records, man. Scream at your motherfucking boy. Bossland CEO. I go by the name 6, man. Bunnerville, Ruger, 20, 50. Rest of my niggas, FaZe, holla at me, dog. You already know, man. We out here, man. Rest of y'all niggas, y'all ain't no competition, man. If you ain't fucking with us and getting this paper with us, man, stay the fuck where you at, dog. Real life shit. No joke, man. Bullshit. No bullshit at all, man. You dig? I ain't with the funny shit, man. Niggas acting funny and shit, dog. And then when a nigga come up, get that money, get that fetty, ride around in all different kind of foreign ass whips, motherfuckers try to jump up in the nigga face, man, talking about some what's up? Hell no, nigga. Back up, dog. Fall back before you get smacked, man. Check it out, man. Yo, telling you like this, nigga, we got DVDs, we got movies, we got music videos, we got motherfucking tours coming up, man. We got concerts, we got everything, nigga, finna go down during the summertime, man. We finna come out with exclusive ass whips, our own clothing line. You already know, nigga, we got our own record label, nigga. I'm only 20 years old, nigga. I'm only 19 right now. I'm finna be 20, nigga. Got my own record label, dog. How many 19-year-olds you know got that shit, you dig? And I ain't even signed yet, nigga. Coming up on all type of shit, you dig? It's too easy, man. But I gotta spit a little something, man. Cause last shit, y'all niggas out here thinking they fuck with me. So let me get something, yo. Hey, yo. Since I'm a trillionaire, you ain't a millionaire. It's like without me, you can't breathe. It's like I build the air. Twin Tower shit, no need for no buildings here. And since your clique is scared, please don't send them here. I know the Exorcist, I turn you into Linda Blair. And you should know better. If you a coke seller, I coach fellas on how to get they dope better. Call me the professor, also the throw stretcher. This chrome heckler a wrecker, you need 4 stretchers. The name 6 and my camp is ferocious. The campers are bogus, they dance with the toasters. And blame at your soldiers, my niggas ain't playing. You got 2 choices, the land or the ocean. Why 6 cent phase hit your mans when the Goshen's. The bangs is the reason why your amps is exploding, nigga. Come on, man. Holla at your boy. Northland Records, man.